Hey everyone, so it's me Sam here, and I'm so excited to be back with you after 5 years hiatus. And this channel has been rebranded to NeuroTech Insights, but many of you might remember me it as Tech to Know. I started uploading videos here when I was just 10 years old, and now, with all the knowledge and skills I've accumulated, I am ready to share them with you so you won't struggle like I did. In today's video, we're diving into creating a website from scratch using AI prompting. And the best part, it's totally free and beginner friendly. You will learn how to leverage AI tools to design and build your own website without any coding experience. Not only will I guide you through the creation process, but I'll also show you how to publish your website for free. It's never been easier to establish your online presence, and I'm thrilled to walk you through every step of the way. So, why wasting more time? Let's just get started. So, first of all, what we are gonna do is we're gonna be using Google AI Studio for mainly the programming, and we're gonna be using ChatGPT for the prompting. And for the coding, we're gonna be requiring this Visual Studio Code. So, first, pretty basic. Okay, let me just start with the pretty basics. Suppose you don't even know even a single thing about website programming or coding. Let me show you. So here, this index.html file, this one over here, this is our main homepage file. Okay, index, always the homepage file name will be index.html. Web pages are always .html files. Okay, that's the pretty basic one. So let's just directly start with the prompting. Suppose I'm starting with pretty basic. Suppose let me show you first some of my already pre-built websites, and this one here is my website which I use for mainly publishing my books. Yes, I'm a writer plus a programmer, and I write books and publish here. This website is mainly made with HTML, CSS, Java, and for the database I am using Google Firebase. Here login and users and information, everything is functional. This one is a pretty professional website, so I'm not gonna go into this directly. First, let's start with pretty basic static websites. Okay, so here are some static websites I built. This one here. Suppose you want to build a website like this. So let's get started. Head over to your ChatGPT. Just see what I type here. You can tell your AI, your ChatGPT, what kind of website you want to create. You can explain everything to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you the prompt that you can use directly in the Google AI Studio. ChatGPT will redefine your whole, the ChatGPT will redefine your the website that you want, the prompt, and after that you can just directly use the prompt in Google AI Studio. So here ChatGPT has given me the prompt. Now I'm just simply gonna copy this prompt and paste this in the Google AI Studio. Let me show you. Here, come to Google AI Studio. You can just directly search on the Google AI Studio. Come over here, log into your Google account and paste your prompt here and click on build. Make sure Gemini 3 Flash preview is selected and then click on build. It's gonna take some time to build, as it's not a pretty basic website. It's gonna be having animations and everything, so it's gonna take a bit time, so let's just wait. Even if you don't know anything about coding, doesn't matter. You can easily create website from scratch with the help of Google AI Studio and ChatGPT. This is pretty basic and the free one. Okay, it's totally free. You don't need to use Lovable and Blackbox AI and other AI tools to create static or professional websites. You can do it free with the help of Google AI Studio, but I recommend you to learn the basics of the programming language, because even if you don't know any programming language, you can build static websites, but you cannot customize your website as you want. For the customization, you're gonna be needing the knowledge of programming language. As I already know all kind of programming languages, so I can customize it the way I want. Mainly what I does is I generate the design through the AI, and then if I need anything to change and customize, I just edit that in the coding. It's that much easy. So seems like here our Google AI Studio has created the website, and yes, it seems pretty much professional. As you can see here, pretty much professional, and yeah, it's look good. Everything seems to be just okay and fine here. So this one here is a pretty basic static website. Okay, it's the static website. I am not gonna be showing you the about us page, departments page, doctor page and everything. You are going to need to create those static pages separately, okay, with the Google AI Studio. You cannot just directly tell Google AI Studio to generate all pages together. You cannot tell that. You cannot do that with the Google AI Studio. You're gonna be needing to do that separately with separate projects. Okay, so our website is ready. Now what we're gonna be going to do is we're gonna download the website here, and then we're gonna extract this. Here is our website. Okay, so basically here is all the files that we're gonna be needing. So head over to Chrome now. Our website creation is done. Okay, our website creation and generating is done. Now let's come to the point, how can we publish this website? Okay, so there are many websites which uses subscription to publish and host the websites, but we're gonna be doing this for free. Okay, we're gonna be doing a pretty basic but for free. Okay, so head over to Netlify, head over to this website, log in, sign up with your Google account, and after the sign up is done, you're gonna be needing to register your account. So let's just skip the informations. So when you come to this page, deploy your first project, click on here for dropping through Netlify official website, or you can also deploy the website through GitHub. You're gonna be requiring to open a GitHub account and upload your website folder, your whole project folder in the GitHub repository. So I'm just gonna be using Netflix Top, the easy one. Here click on browse to upload and select the folder of your project. Okay, so here this one, upload, and we are gonna wait here. Deploy process is going on, as you can see in here. It's gonna be deploying your website. And your deployment is done. Now you can open your website from here. Here is the basic link. If you want to change this link, this domain, go to here and then here domain management, go to domain management, and you're gonna be here production domains. Okay, so you can simply just click on here option. This one is your basic domain here, the one that is default. Click on options, edit project name. Here you can give anything, any domain, but this one is gonna be staying. Okay, this one is gonna be staying as this one is free. You can purchase domain on other websites if you want, but as this is a free tutorial, so just let's proceed with the free procedure. Let's go. So suppose our website name is Aeon. Okay, so Aeon MY, as I am currently residing in Malaysia, and MY. Okay, Aeon MY, Aeon Malaysia. Okay, Aeon my.netlify.app. Okay, so click on save, and here is our new subdomain. Click on here, open link in a new tab, and here, there you go, aeon.netlify.app. Here, this one is not going to work anymore, so just close it. And here you can see our website is running online. Okay, online. Just now tell me, was this much hard? No, it wasn't hard at all. Doesn't matter you know anything about programming or not. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily create your own website using this whole thing, the tutorial that I showed you. As this video is my first video after 5 years, and now I have grown up. Don't judge my voice and my language skills, as this is my first video. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you will learn something new from this video. If you want to learn more about programming and AI and future skills, I'm going to upload more AI related videos on this channel, so just subscribe to my channel to learn more and more. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights and tips. Let's unlock the future of technology together, guys. So I am Sam here, and Sam signing out.